Have you ever wondered about the echoes of heritage that resonate from the city of Larkana? Nestled in the Sindh province of Pakistan, Larkana is a captivating blend of ancient history, political legacy, vibrant culture, economic resilience, and an enduring spirit. Tracing its roots back to the Bronze Age, Larkana is home to the world-renowned archaeological site of Mohenjo-Daro. This city, one of the world's earliest urban centers, is a testament to Larkana's ancient civilization. The well-preserved artifacts serve as silent narrators, whispering tales of a time long past. Moving forward in history, Larkana bears the significant imprint of the Bhutto family, a political dynasty that has left an indelible mark on Pakistan's political landscape. From Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the country's former prime minister, to Benazir Bhutto, its first female prime minister, their legacy still resonates within the city's walls. Larkana is not just a city of history and politics. It is a vibrant cultural hub, alive with traditional Sindhi music, dance, and art. Local festivals and fairs paint a vivid picture of unity and the preservation of traditions, passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. An agricultural heartbeat pulses through the city, contributing significantly to its economy. The fertile land yields bountiful crops, including rice and sugarcane, nourishing not just Larkana but regions beyond its borders. Yet Larkana's journey is not without its share of challenges. Water scarcity and infrastructural issues are hurdles to overcome. But the spirit of Larkana is resilient. The people's determination to address these challenges, their initiatives and community projects, are a testament to their enduring spirit. In the echoes of Larkana's heritage, we find a city that is a blend of ancient history, political significance, vibrant culture, economic resilience, and an enduring spirit. This is the story of Larkana, a city that continues to contribute to Pakistan's cultural mosaic, a city that invites you to listen to its echoes of heritage.